welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to be talking about the finale of the Beachy Stout saga and why, hopefully, this isn't the finale because it has to be studied. They have to go make some kind of case study and teach it on courses in a Winnipeg or something. Or they have to go make some kind of documentary or series or something like that, because like I said, it has to be studied. This story of everything, more twists and turn than Fern Gully. Never talk about it. Before we go into that, my Patreon birthday shout out. This one goes out to Anthony. Today is Anthony's birthday. Patreon squad member since 2021. Long time supporter, long time listener. Anthony, I know you're tuning in as always. Enjoy yourself, bro. Celebrate, give thanks, and start plan for the future. As I saw them things are going on. Soon as they don't celebrate, it's on to the next. You know, it's all about family, it's all about goals and milestones. So I want to wish Anthony from the Patreon squad a happy Earth Strong. Now, talk about Beachy Stout. Him and him co-accused, found guilty, and judge sentenced him to quote-unquote life. But you know, saying Iron Man life is not really life. It's like 30 or so years before parole. Although based on the condition where Beachy Stout, you know, it might actually be life for him. Well, he's already about 70 years old and 30 years before parole. But another time problem. Say, I when I'm 100, I'm supposed to come back out. It's the fact that Beachy Stout is in real bad health condition. His health is deteriorating. Remember, he was already up in age before this whole thing starts, so you can imagine he's having a torrid time, but as them said, no rest to the wicked. Him and him co-accused. Now, why I say this case has to be studied is because it have everything. First of all, the main person in all like Beachy Stout, successful businessman in a Portland, especially as a black man, wholesale and all kind of things. But tell us, Beachy Stout legacy and Beachy Stout youth them should have just roll on the empire and carry it down to the next generation. But I tell you about the culture and the mindset. You get to the point to not only Beachy Stout but even his son also pick up the same murder charge. Tell you no man, you can't make this up. Remember, money means peace and unity. Money means that people are interested in no more violence and no more murder. Remember that them tell you? But me tell you, say when somebody is acidic, money can't help them. Only make them get more destructive. Beachy Stout at fame grand age should have looked for kick up in foot on the veranda and mute them and take over this and run this and mute them as a flourish. People are talk about the black empire, Beachy Stout them have the Mcdonald them. But now the Mcdonald name permanently scarred. And for what? Not just one wife but two. All his son pick up same charge. Cause it makes a woman a give him, one woman a give a niggle eye and all kind of shit. The man build that empire. Build an empire in a Portland at that. And look how he's going out. It has to be studied. It has to be studied. The case has so much twist and turn. The star witness testified said about 4 times then go for kill Tonia. Couldn't catch her. Some testifies how them finally draw Tonia out was she did inquire for buy some gun for kill box Smaddy for her father. She asked Beachy Stout give her the link to the star witness. Because like a theme thing that is a facilitator for them thing. And testifies that him facilitate the killing. The man will actually go do it and him thing. But him testifies that Tonia one gun for buy for kill box Smaddy for her father. I'm assuming she go buy the gun for give Smaddy for do it. Again, I'm assuming, I don't know. I doubt she'll go run up on the ends and squeeze out the trigger herself, but who knows in this day and age. But the witness testifies that Beachy Stout put Tonia on to him to get the gun them. To kill back somebody for her father. Which in itself is another whole twist and turn. But when time they couldn't catch her, he end up use back the same card of, oh, you know, so me get the gun then. So come meet me also. And I saw him manage to draw her out to the little obscure location where then could have killed her. Beachy Stout gave her the link to the witness. And the gun them and the same man, you know, met the link and sort out the link with the man who killed she. Hollywood can't make this up. Again, but just telling you where the witness say. Any problem you have with that, take it up with the witness. The entire Beachy Stout saga from what happened with him, 2 wife family, him son and what happened with it just twist and turned. It has to be studied. These people are rich. Have everything them could have want. But the story play out like some youth from run a march pen. We just step on the corner and work. Same end result. Same end result. Me tell them say it has to be studied. They refuse to examine the culture and the mindset. Me tell them already somebody have a dead back. When that person who have the grudge make money, it don't mean say them tell themselves, alright, money they don't know, so I'm just go and live happy. Them use the money and buy gun and hire somebody to make somebody dead back. This idea that money is going to, you know, stop this and stop that is rubbish. Money make it easier because now me can hire somebody. Me can go buy the gun myself. Me can pay off one squad here so. Me can bring in the best lawyers. More money for an acidic person equal more crimes because now they have more tools will help them carry out more crimes. Which is a big lawyer them. Your 20 police link them. You link in at the tax office, you link them at the government place. That's how you get away with things and how you do that in Iron Man, by having more money. It has to be studied. Has to be studied. Mr. Lawyer come out say them a go file appeal. Lawyer guy only too dangerous. When them say them a go file appeal, what them mean them a go eat their food off a Beachy before them dead? Because them know the Beachy Stout is in a real bad condition right now. The Beachy Stout case has to be studied. It has to be studied. It have every twist and every turn. It defies convention. Everything them telling a Winnipeg about why people do things and how things work and why go stop it. Beachy Stout case mash up that. And many others too. Idea so when people get money and them get nice house and nice car, them stop being acidic and them now go on and crime will go down. Good luck with that. Hopefully one day you wake up from your dream. Now, the prosecution them nail it so far again. At them day and age I don't even know. But so far, they nailed it. Long may it continue. Now before the video end, I want to talk about something. Big video drop. Big video drop. Another one of the historical video them. People them captivated. Me see all over 100,000 views on a video about a old backer. Nothing exciting, no shooting, no artist, nothing. Just the people them locked in. But them tell us say we need to talk about artists to make people watch Unicorn Meat. The Vulture Squad people them tell that we trade them mother and them father and them Jackie Pitt them to be like the PIA and get similar results. But good luck to them still. Maybe tell about the whole floor and ceiling thing. You got Vulture Squad anyway them there. Talking about that, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.